Hello students. Fine. How are you all? Fine. Ready for opposite word game? Yes. Okay. So we are going for the first word combination, that is sit and stand. Fine? Fine. Okay. Let's start the game. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Hetal out. Okay. Sit. Okay. Kalpesh, Amit, Tulsi. Fine. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Stand. Out. Amit and Sahil. Okay, fine. Sit. Sit. Stand. 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 Sit. Sit. Stand. 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 Sit. Sit. Stand. 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 Sit. Sit. Out. Okay. Now we are going on second word. Fine. That is reading and writing. Okay. Ready? So, write. Read. Write. Read. Write. 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 Read. Read. Write. Write. Read. Read. Write. Read. Write. Sahil. Okay, fine. Now we are going on third word combination, that is open and close. Okay? Open. Khushi. Close. Okay. Open. Close. Open. 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 Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. 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 Open. Close. Open. Close. Close. Nepal. Okay, fine. Open. Close. 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 Open. Open. Close. Close. Open. Close. Okay, fine. Sit. Stand. But